Today we're going to install VirtualBox on our Windows machine. So sa ngayon guys, nag-open tayo ng VirtualBox running Windows 10 operating system. For ano lang to guys, for educational purposes. So as you can see guys, we're going to install from scratch. Pag sinearch ko sa aking machine, so pag sinearch ko guys, walang Visual Studio Code na naka-install sa aking machine. So mag-start tayo from scratch guys. First guys, we're going to take note the step-by-step installation process para sa ating Visual Studio Code. So mag-open lang ako ng notepad. Yun, notepad. Tapos, dito natin isusulat yung step-by-step process ng installation. So guys, yan. Lakihan natin konti. So nakikita natin guys sa screen. Ito yung step-by-step process ng pag-install ng Visual Studio Code. So first, we're going to download the Visual Studio Code in the official website. So copy lang natin yung link. Tapos mag-open tayo ng Google Chrome or any browsers that you preferred guys. Now guys, open ang ating Google Chrome. So paste natin yung link, then press enter. So nakikita natin guys dito is kita na yung naka-highlight na blue yung download for Windows. Click lang natin. So yan guys, nakita natin sa lower corner, downloading na. So after nyan guys, next step is run natin yung installer. Control J, downloads ng ating Visual Studio Code. Tapos show in folder. Yan guys. So, downloaded na siya guys. So double click natin to install. So andito ngayon guys sa prompt. So accept lang natin. I leave it as it is sa default. Next natin. Yes, shortcut. Next. Install. So habang naghihintay guys, pwede tayo magkape muna. Yan guys, finish na yung ating download. So yung prompt, nag-prompt na kanina, no? Tapos setup option, tapos na rin tayo dito. So halos nadaanan na natin yung steps. So after natin mag-install guys, ito yung lalabas which is the user interface ng Visual Studio Code. So, yung unang bubugad sa atin, pwede tayong mag-choose ng preferred theme or color. So, ako guys, I leave it as it is. Ito yung modern dark yung aking pipiliin. So, close na natin guys. So, konting overview lang guys, no? Dito sa navigation tab ng Visual Studio Code UI, makikita natin yung File tab. Sa File tab, makikita natin yung New Text File kung saan pwede tayong gumawa ng file. Example ito, random text. Save natin. Save lang natin siya guys, no? So, random text. Save natin sa desktop. So, pag i-save natin, yan, sinave niya na as randomtext.txt. So, overview lang guys, no? Pwede rin tayo mag-open ng file. Open natin yung sinave natin. Add folder, workspace, duplicate work, save as. Sa tab na to, siguro yung 90% na nagagamit natin at a time is itong si file at saka si terminal. In my case guys, lagi kasi akong gumagamit ng terminal. Especially kapag gumagamit tayo ng Git versioning, process on how to save your project at different points in time. So if you want to get to know more about Git versioning, you can click this link shown in the video. Click nyo lang yan guys kung gusto nyo matuto more about Git. Yan guys, no? So, pwede tayo mag-open ng PowerShell. So, the more we tackle about our project and tackle different topics, we will get used to use this tool, the Visual Studio Code, for editing our web application project. So guys, I think that's it for now. Thank you and see you in our next videos.